Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the Waze app, so open it and make sure you're signed into the account that holds the saved places. Once done, tap Search at the bottom and select Saved. This displays favorites, labeled places, and recents. You want to locate the exact entry to remove, so scan the list and tap the category that contains it. This first step narrows the scope and prevents deleting the wrong place. Be deliberate about choosing the correct saved destination. Now that you've found the place, tap the three-dot menu or the Edit control for that saved list. Waze uses these controls to let you modify entries. Next, tap the specific destination to open its detail view, then select Delete or Remove. This action prevents future routing to that address and clears clutter. Make sure to confirm the deletion when Waze asks. If you cancel here, the entry will remain, so follow through to complete removal and keep your saved list. Finish by verifying the change. Return to Saved and Recents to confirm the destination is gone. If it still shows up, sign out and back in or clear the Waze app cache. These steps force a sync and often resolve display glitches. Also make sure Waze is updated, because older versions may have a bug that prevents deletes from syncing. If problems persist, try deleting from another device or reinstalling the app. That usually fixes stubborn entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.